So, welcome to Istanbul, Turkey. The flight was okay. It was really nice and lovely. It was a 3-hour flight. And there's also like a 3-hour time difference from Turkey to London and Turkey. So it's like 4:30 in London right now. But here it's already 7:30 in the evening. Basically, we're just transiting from here. So from here we'll be transiting to Georgia, Tbilisi. Welcome to Turkey.
Thank you. Come, continue, please. If you're ready, your boarding card, keep going together.
So we're here now in Istanbul and we're waiting for our boarding gate for our flight to Tbilisi. Final round. How long yung next flight natin? Ganun ulit? Ha? Bachi, how was your flight?
It's 2 hours and 15 minutes.
How was your flight?
It's fine. It's okay.
Haggard na.
It's okay.
I'm so haggard. So, ayan, information. Ayun, okay naman yung flight. It's just that malayo ako kila Steffi and Babongska. So, we were not seated together kasi dun ako sa medyo mahaba yung para sa mahaba yung bias. Ano nangyari sa buhok ko, Batch? Yung kinakabahan ko lang talaga yung maleta ko. Dadating yun. Magtiwala. Ayan na. We are on our way.
505 B. Ne olur çıkış kapısı.
We are going.
Attention please. Last call. Passengers.
So we are currently on the last leg of our trip, and this is our last flight from Istanbul to Tbilisi, and right now we are currently on the plane, pero medyo kinakabahan ako kasi maleta ko. I was worried kasi kanina because of what happened kanina sa London before we left, na chinek-in ako tapos hindi pala pwede na walang e-visa. So binawi niya yung passport ko and then yung boarding pass ko. Then kinuha niya and then parang I don't know what happened, pero basically kinakabahan ako kasi baka hindi dumating yung aking maleta sa Tbilisi, but hopefully dumating siya nang maging matiwasay ang aming first biyahe ever. So yun lang, sobrang nakakapagod na guys. I am so tired. Hulas na ang beauty natin. Talaga namang ubos na talaga ang freshness natin. I am seated on the first row sa seat na ito because may legroom siya. Pinili ko talaga na mahaba yung legroom or may space yung legroom para mas accessible or mas comfortable bumiyahe. So, pakita ko sa inyo. May mga vacant space, ibang chair, bakante sila. So, hindi siya puno, hindi siya full floor. Ayun, see you in Tbilisi. They got in. Ayan si Babong. Franny! So, ayan lang guys. So, basically, after this, we head straight to a hotel. So, mag-check-in lang kami to our hotel tonight. And we're gonna sleep for one night in that hotel. And then afterwards, we are going to the ski resort. Yes, so finally, we made it here to Georgia, Tbilisi. Ayan na yung flag nila, oh. Georgia. So, yan lang guys. That's it for tonight. We are finally here in our hotel. And, ayan si Batchy Batch.
Hi.
So, we're just gonna rest for the night. Kasi late night's already 3 a.m. And tomorrow, we will resume our activities. So basically, matutulog lang kami for tonight. And then tomorrow, we are going sa ating resort.
Yes, ski resort.
Sa ating ski resort. Oh my God, we're so excited. Sobrang lamig. As in,
It's
-1. So yun lang guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Si Babong ay naliligo sa CR. So, tignan natin kung makukuha niya yung CR. Ayan, ay.
Baho lubot.
So, ganun yung itsura ng aming hotel, guys. So, basically, ayan. So, that's the door. That's the toilet. And then, we have 2 bedrooms. This is my bed. Ay, hala. Ayan. And then, Batchy and Babong's bed. Bye! Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's our first full day here in Tbilisi, and it's a beautiful day. It's snowing today, guys. Bring some water.
1.5. Ilang liters to ba?
This is non-carbonated.
1 liter. Dito ako sa 1.5.
Good morning. Good morning from Georgia. So we are now checked out sa aming first hotel, and we are about to go to our next destination. Papunta na kami sa aming ski resort today, and we'll be staying there for the next 4 days. Yeah, the next 4 days, and activities. So now we're just waiting sa aming mag-exchange ng money kasi wala na kaming pera. Yan si Bachi. Oh. Hi, Batch. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yan yung hotel namin. Naloka lang kami dito kasi wala silang elevator. So yung mga gamit namin, we had to leave sa reception. We have to leave our gamit sa reception last night when we arrived kasi walang lift. So we just took whatever we can and then we went up sa hotel.
Alin? Hindi ako makita.
Kaya nga. Ayan na, friend.
It's okay. Yeah. Ako rin makita.
Say hi.
Hey. Yeah. Nawala ka na. Wow. Very good. Hindi nakakain ng gabi.
Di ba gutom? Yes, I 4 sticks.
Ako pala sanay siya. Ay,
Parang
Ang dami nating in-order guys. I-take off natin.
Kung sa holiday tayo, bayan. Ano tayo, bawal tayo. Shanghai.
Proper. Next time, alam mo natin.
Enjoy?
Wait lang.
Я жив.
А у меня, по-моему,
Не пил. Я уже сказал, что последний слова.
Thank you, Lord, for the food.
Конечно. Сделаем.
я иногда готовлю. Я не буду.
У нас там вот такая шутка.
Friend, yung vlog mo ba? Nakafocus siya sa skewer.
Жена пришла за меня в ресторан. Да? И что сказала? Выходи из-под кровати.
Ecstatic. Spell.
On our way to Gedauri.
Ay, video pa
On our way to Gedauri Ski Resort.
Ay, ito pala yung sinabi nila, Batch. Liberty.
Shopping mall? Trip na to, batch.
To experience the ski.
Ha?
Yun lang. Naiya ako. Charot. I'm looking forward for the ski experience. Yun lang.
Ski events.
Yes, Winter Olympics. Here I come. Hello, Paris.
Buang gina siya, friend, no? How about you, friend? Ano yung nililook forward mo, friend?
I look forward to falling flat on my ass on the slopes. I look forward to see you ski.
Oh my God. I
Yun.
don't really do well on ice skating, eh. So,
I know, right? Let's see. Wait, the last time we went, the three of us, I got injured.
sana wag naman po.
Wag naman po. Knock on wood.
Ayan. I don't really do well on ice skating, pero we'll see with skiing. Baka ibang, ano naman siya, ibang experience naman yung skiing this time. So, let's see how it goes. We're excited. We're on our way na. See ya there. What's the name? What's the name?
Caucasus. Caucasus mountains.
Oh, okay. Ayan, may mga dog, oh. Yung mga aso tumatakbo. Ang cute. Oh, there's a dam, oh.
This is the drink water.
Oh.
Tbilisi drinks this water. When Tbilisi go in.
Kanina pa tayo nabangga siguro.
Ang stable or sa Chafran ang video. Amazing.
Sino yung nagbigay ng 160 si Sisi?
Me.
Ayun. So I'll just put in the split price na besh.
Hindi pala siya naka-record. Hi! Hi guys! So, we are finally here sa aming resort where we will be staying for the rest of the weekend. We're staying in Godauri and we are currently settling in after almost 3 hours of drive from Tbilisi. And now, medyo may mga mahirap lang hanapin yung mga resorts kasi it's very difficult to find the resorts kasi nga iba-iba. Ang daming resorts dito so madaling malito at magkamali-mali, which actually happened to us na mali kami ng punta sa isang resort tapos ending pala sa iba pala dapat. So we actually had to book another Uber ride from the previous hotel going to this hotel. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the view from our room. This is the view from our room. It is so magical. Sobrang ganda, sobrang beautiful the view. Ayan siya guys. Sobrang ganda as in. So this is our room.
Room tour!
For
Room
the
tour ka, friend. You start sa door.
room tour, room tour, room tour. So this is our room. And basically, pagpasok mo ng ganito siya. Very cozy feels. This is the toilet. Diyan si Bachi. And then this is a sofa bed. There's a mini kitchen.
It's actually like a proper kitchen. And it's,
Proper kitchen. May sink. Pwede kang magluto. Induction.
Oh, they have pots and pans and shit. Microwave. Oh.
Exhaust. And then this is the pinakapasabog view.
it's so beautiful.
Sorry, excuse me. Thank you.
More. Last na lang itong tubig ko. Para may daghan dito sa ano ba. Later na.
Cheetos, Cheetos.
soft drink. Friend, gusto ka Coke?
Yes, please.
Itong malaki.
Yeah.
May baso naman din. 265. Kasi nawawala yung spirit ko.
Ayan.
Small. Dalawa.
Red Bull.
You want? You want
Maybe.
Red Bull?
Energy drink.
Oo. Patch wala dito mga potato chips.
Bawal ba dito karne?
Kasi baka may ibang baka may ibang lugar yung karne. Pila na lang ako dito. Ano naman yung noodles?
Parang panibagong pahirap na naman ito. Paano tayo magre-record bukas? Ano? Yung mga video na.
Doon tayo sa mababang slope. Doon tayo sa beginners. Grabe naman yun dyan. Kaya...
Yun kasi yung ini-imagine ko.
Kita lang tayo sa GT Hotel.
Tapos may mga rumaragasan na mga advanced skills.
Piling ko yung mga slope na mababa. Actually, nakamain ng bread. Gusto ko lang pa okay. Sa'yo yan eh.
Kwento mo yan eh.